Let's see if anybody says anything about me stealing this. I used to play on this when I was a kid, so I'm gonna load it up, take it home. All right, I gotta be honest with you. I didn't steal that from the playground. I used to play on this when I was a kid growing up. I'd go up here to my grandma's house and play on the playground. And they had little pebbles all around here that you would dig with this thing. I don't remember a whole lot from those days, but I do remember sitting on this thing for hours playing on it. And as you can see, it's had better days. Kid's gonna cut their finger right there on that, but anyways, I'm gonna tear it apart, clean it all up, probably put some bushing and get this thing right again.